Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger voice recording is not working. If you are having any issue in your voice recording on Messenger now you want to fix it, so let's see how can do this. First of all, you have to check that you are connected to stable internet connection. So just scroll down your control panel and here you'll get all of your network settings. If you're connected to your mobile network and the Wi-Fi, and after that you have to make a refresh in your network settings. So let's see how. You have to enable airplane mode, briefly wait for 10 or 15 seconds, and after that just disable it. In this way you have a quick refresh in your network settings. Now go back, go to home screen, go to Messenger, keep a long press on it, go to info icon. From here you have to select permissions. In permissions just look for microphone, tap on it, and here you have to select allow only while using the app or select allow all. And after doing this you have to go back, or if you're still having the same issue you have to go to Play Store app and check if you have any update of your app. So search for Messenger and then open the Messenger app, and here you have to make sure that your app is up to date. And after that you have to update your phone systems, because sometimes your system is not up to date and it makes some errors in many apps. So you have to look for system updates in your app, and you have to make sure that your phone system is up to date and you have the latest system version. After that just go back. If you're still having the same issue you have to make a restart of your phone, press and hold the power button, and then you have to select the restart option, and after restarting the phone your problem will be fixed and you can easily make the Messenger voice recording. But if you are still having the same issue you have to reinstall the app. So just press and hold on the app and tap on uninstall, and after that just uninstall the app, and after uninstalling you have to go to Play Store and reinstall the Messenger app. In this way all the problem will be fixed and your app will be work as a refresh. So that's how you can easily fix Messenger voice recording is not working on phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.